suspected attack off the coast of New York. So we're going to tell you everything that you need to be looking out for. And with so many Americans planning to barbecue today, we also have some last-minute money-saving tips and food hacks for that party. We've got it all covered on this July 4th. Let's start with Emilie. Ikeda. She joins us now from the site of tonight's Macy's fireworks display. Emilie, happy 4th.
Craig and Chanel, happy 4th to you. In just a matter of hours, we'll see more than 60,000 shells launched from barges moving along the East River behind me to light up the sky in the nation's largest fireworks display for July 4th. But will weather interfere? That's the question on so many Americans' minds in regions where stormy weather and stifling heat are hampering the holiday. This morning, Americans celebrating the 4th even as wild weather hits the country coast to coast. This massive funnel forming in the northern plains as strong winds and torrential rain drenched parts of the south and northeast overnight. A 1-2 punch of severe weather for some communities already battered by deadly storms over the weekend. Meantime, the Chicago area still cleaning up from up to 9 inches of rain Sunday.
This is the strongest downpour of rain since 1987.
The unrelenting storms throwing a wrench into 4th of July plans, delaying some fireworks shows in Massachusetts.
The weather does its own thing every year, so sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't.
But New York City's iconic Macy's 4th of July fireworks still hoping to light up the sky. Macy's telling NBC News they've done shows in the rain before, adding in a statement, "We will determine what steps to take in the event of severe weather, such as lightning." Meanwhile, 31 million Americans are sweating it out, with heat alerts impacting parts of the South and the West. Authorities say a 57-year-old woman died during an 8-mile hike in the Grand Canyon, with temps topping 100 degrees. Cities like Las Vegas and Phoenix expected to again top triple digits today. The extreme temperatures fueling fast-moving flames in Washington state, with fears that risk of wildfire may increase during July 4th celebrations.
Come south about 5 feet.
In Salt Lake City, for the first time, they're replacing fireworks with a drone show. In Flagstaff, Arizona, a laser light show takes the place of conventional pyrotechnics. But no matter what happens, the American spirit will find a way to celebrate our nation's birthday.
It would be great if it was the 4th, but you know what though? It's the whole month, it's the whole year. We live in the best country in the world.
And while mild air quality alerts will linger in parts of the Midwest and in Los Angeles, here in New York City, air quality has finally returned to healthy levels after days of hazy skies.
Country in the world.
And while mild air quality alerts will linger in parts of the Midwest and in Los Angeles, here in New York City, air quality has finally returned to healthy levels after days of hazy skies from those Canadian wildfires and pollution. New York's governor encouraging people to enjoy and celebrate outdoors. We'll just have to see to what degree the rain allows. Craig?
All right, Emilie, Ikeda voice there starting us off. Emilie, thank you.
All right, and now what everyone with the day off for the holiday wants to know, let's talk about the weather.